Hello students, today we are going to start with the new poem of class 9, that is Wind, composed by Subramanya Bharati, who is a pioneer of modern Tamil poetry. Now, in this poem, we are going to read many glossary words related to wind, rhyming scheme of the poem, as it does not have any paragraphization, so we are going to read the rhyming scheme of the poem also. Then we will read many poetic devices such as metaphor, repetition, personification and alliteration used in the poem. Now, Subramanya Bharati was very famous Tamil poet. His fiery songs kindled patriotism and nationalism during the Indian independence movement. Very important that he played a very important role during nationalism and independence in India. Now, Bharati has advised us to be very strong with our body and mind. He says that we should face the challenges with grit, courage and determination boldly. Look students, what is a wind? First of all, what is a wind? When strong wind blows, it causes destructions as well, but sometimes it is very constructive also. But we people are only harmed due to the wind. Those people who are strong, wind will not destroy them. So, the troubles, the problems are caused only to the weak people. Now here, the wind says, the wind has been used as a metaphor over here. It means wind is related to the problems that we face in our life. If we take a problem as very huge and big, we will be always fearful. But if we are strong, we are determined, we are firm, we are courageous, no one can harm us. So, here the poet teaches us that we should be strong so that we can overcome our troubles. This is the central message of the poem, that when the wind blows, it only causes destruction to the weak people. But if we are strong, wind cannot blow the strong people. So, wind is a symbol of problem and obstacles which are to be dealt without fear. If we are strong, wind will be our friend. We must be friends with the wind and obstacles or problems too, so that we can cope up with our hard situations. So this is, my dear students, today we are just going to read the introduction, title, justification, theme and message of the poem. Read the points very carefully. In next PPT, we will start with the explanation of the poem according to the stanza wise. So, read it. If you have any queries, ask me on my personal window. Thank you students.